Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use Deconstruct Vitamin C Serum effectively for glowing skin. This powerful serum is designed to brighten your complexion, reduce the appearance of dark spots, and provide essential antioxidant protection. By following these simple steps, you can maximize its benefits and achieve a more even, radiant skin tone. Let's dive into how to incorporate this fantastic product into your daily routine for optimal results. Before applying any serum, proper skin preparation is key. Start by cleansing your face and neck thoroughly with a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt, oil, or makeup. After cleansing, gently pat your skin completely dry with a clean towel. For those new to vitamin C serums, it is always wise to perform a patch test on a small, inconspicuous area first to ensure no adverse reactions occur. A clean, dry canvas allows the serum to penetrate deeply and work its magic. Now for the application. Take 2 to 3 drops of the Deconstruct Vitamin C Serum onto your fingertips. Gently massage or pat the serum evenly across your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Allow the serum a few minutes to fully absorb into your skin before moving on to your next step. For best results, incorporate this serum into your morning routine, as its antioxidant properties help protect your skin throughout the day. After the serum has absorbed, it is crucial to follow up with a good moisturizer to lock in the benefits and keep your skin hydrated. Most importantly, always apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher, as vitamin C can increase sun sensitivity. Remember to avoid layering this serum with exfoliating acids or retinoids in the same routine. Finally, store your serum in a cool, dark place to maintain its potency and effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.